Good morning, children. Today again we are going to Let's Work Out 21 from chapter 21. Now sum number 10. Here the problem is divide rupees 210 among Fatima and Sakira in the ratio of 3:4 and find how much each would get. Here total amount of money is given. We have to divide the total amount, that is rupees 210, between Fatima and Sakira in the ratio of 3:4. Now come to the solution part. We have written total amount of money equal to rupees 210. Fatima's share is to Sakira's share equal to 3:4. That is the ratio. We are dividing the money between Fatima and Sakira in 3:4. And sum of the ratio terms, we are getting the sum of the ratio terms, that is 3 plus 4. Here first term 3, second term 4. So sum of the ratio terms will be first term of ratio plus second term of ratio, that is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So part of money that Fatima will get equal to first term of ratio by sum of the ratio terms, 3 by 7 part, and part of money that Sakira will get equal to second term of ratio, that is 4 by sum of the ratio term 7. That is the Fatima's part of money. This is the Sakira's part of money. So amount of money that Fatima will get equal to Fatima's part, that is 3 by 7 part into total amount rupees 210. After calculation we are getting 7 3s are 21, that is 30. 30 into 3 equal to 90. That is Fatima will get rupees 90 and Sakira will get, that is part of Sakira's amount, 4 by 7 into total money. Sakira will get 4 by 7 part of rupees 210, that is total money. 7 3s are 30, 7 3s are 21, that is 30. 30 4s are 120, that is Sakira will get rupees 120. So we have got Fatima's share, that is Fatima will get rupees 90 and Sakira will get rupees 120. Now sum number 5. Same problem. Today 10 of us have come to park to play. If the ratio of number of girls and boys is 2:3 in our group, find how many girls and boys have come to play. So total number of boys and girls equal to 10. Ratio of boys and girls equal to ratio of girls and boys. First term for the girls and second term for the boys. Ratio of girls and boys equal to 2:3. We have to find the number of girls and number of boys, that is individual numbers. So same problem, we have written total number of children. Instead of writing girls and boys, we can write total number of children because we are children. Total number of children come to play equal to 10. Girls is to boys equal to 2:3, which is given. So to find the number of boys and number of girls, we have to find the sum of the ratio terms. Sum of the ratio terms equal to 2 plus 3. 2 is the first term of ratio, 3 is the second term of ratio. So sum of the ratio terms equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Number of girls equal to part of girls, that is 2 by 5, to first part of ratio, first term of ratio, and 5 sum of the ratio terms. 2 by 5 into total number of children, that is 10. After calculation we are getting 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So number of girls equal to 4. Similarly number of boys equal to second term of ratio, that is 3, divided by sum of the ratio terms, that is 5, into total number of children, that is 3 by 5 into 10. 5 2 are 10, 3 2 are 6. So 4 girls and 6 boys have come to play. Now question number 6. Similar problem, we have to divide total quantity into given ratio. Father bought 4 pairs of bananas from market. If brother and sister ate those bananas in the ratio of 1:3, find how many bananas each of them ate. That is, brother and sister. First term of ratio for brother and second term of ratio for sister. Total number of bananas equal to 4 pairs. We know 1 pair equal to 2. Therefore, 4 pairs equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. So, total number of bananas that my father bought equal to 8. Ratio of bananas that brother and sister ate. Brother first term, sister second term, equal to 1:3. So to divide the bananas among brother and sister, we have to find the sum of the ratio terms. Sum of the ratio terms equal to 1 plus 3. First term of the ratio 1, second term of the ratio 3. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. That is the sum of the ratio terms. So part of brother's share, that is part of brother's banana equal to first term of the ratio, that is 1, divided by sum of the ratio terms, that is 4. Part of brother's banana equal to 1 by 4. So number of brother's banana equal to 1 by 4 part of 8. 8 was the total number of bananas. 4 2 are 8, 2 1 are 2, that is 2. So number of bananas that brother ate equal to 1 by 4 into 8 equal to 2. Now number of bananas that sister ate equal to sister's part of sister's banana, that is second term of ratio divided by sum of the ratio terms 4. 3 by 4, this is the part of the sister's banana. Now total number of bananas that sister ate equal to part of sister's bananas, that is 3 by 4 into total number of bananas, that is 8. 4 2 are 8, 3 2 are 6, which is 6. So number of bananas that brother ate equal to 1 by 4 into 8 equal to 2. Number of bananas that sister ate equal to 3 by 4 into 8 equal to 6. 1 by 4 means first ratio term by sum of the ratio term into total number of bananas. 3 by 4 means second ratio term by sum of ratio term into total number of bananas. So we can write brother ate 2 bananas and sister ate 6 bananas. Children, that's all for today. Only 3 sums. Practice properly. Thank you, children.